It's often a big question: should we use that specific framework to its full potential? Or maybe we should be more flexible? There is no clear answer for that. If we use the whole ecosystem, that means we get better support. If we try to stand independent, then we have more options to choose from. It should be clear whether we will use any framework or not. Now, we'll discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. It's easier to get a team. Easier to adopt new custom functions. Easier to replace. Easier to update. Easier to test. Disadvantages. Less support from the official manual of the library or the framework. It might be less consistent with the standards. More infrastructure. It takes more time, especially if you try to avoid the easiest solution. How to make framework agnostic infrastructure. It depends on what framework and what standards you want to implement. You need to build a class that extends standard framework or library to increase flexibility. Use independent and short dependencies, avoid unnecessary libraries. Use as many interfaces as possible. The decision about path should be considered by many factors, such as: how flexible is your team? How popular and well supported is your base framework? How often its employees' rotation in the team. Framework agnostic is good if your team has experience with different frameworks, if you have to teach the standards to the new team members. Take into consideration limitations. However, remember that both solutions have their own limitations. You can use some parts of an independent repository in other projects similar to microservices architecture, but it's worth remembering it refers only to framework agnostic solutions. We recommend you stick to the end and watch all our videos in the playlist. Check sources of this video in the description, where you can find more information. Leave the like, comment and subscribe, and share it with friends that want to improve programming skills. Last but not least, all technical decisions should be based on a particular business need, including solutions implemented in frameworks. Some standards make coding faster, some make it more readable, some make it easier to replace or maintain in the future, or because of security reasons. It's important to know what aspects are important and what standards your framework agnostic project should focus on first. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.